Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Tuesday, January 20th, 2026. Vitalik proposes native DVT staking on Ethereum, Mask Network now stewards Lens protocol, and Gusto supports USDC contractor payouts. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Archive, an Ethereum-aligned data layer for Web3. Archive merges guarantees of blockchain with the performance and flexibility of traditional databases. Find out more at archive.network/daily. Vitalik Buterin published a forum post proposing native distributed validator technology for Ethereum. DVT allows validator private keys to be split into key shares distributed across multiple independent nodes, enabling an M of N threshold setup. The architecture increases fault tolerance and reduces single points of failure. The proposal seeks to enshrine DVT at the protocol level, which would allow users to simply run multiple standard nodes. Vitalik's proposed design has minimal latency overhead, is compatible with any signature scheme, and encourages self-custody, helping improve Ethereum's decentralization. Lens Labs, the team behind the Lens SocialFi protocol, announced that stewardship of the Lens protocol has been handed over to Mask Network, a decentralized social project behind the Firefly Web3 social aggregator. The Lens Labs team will now serve in an advisory role to the project. Lens Chain, a Layer 2 network built on ZK Sync's ZK stack, and the Lens v3 iteration launched to mainnet in April 2025. Lens Labs cited the need for dedicated focus and expertise to operate consumer social products at scale. The project's new direction will focus on consumer-grade execution, product design, and global distribution. And lastly, Gusto, a payroll provider serving over 400,000 small businesses, integrated support for stablecoin payouts to international contractors. The integration leverages Zero Hash, a regulated financial infrastructure provider, to handle custody, compliance, and settlement. The release reduces cross-border transfer times from days to minutes, addressing delays and inefficiencies in the traditional banking system. It also enables faster 24/7 global payouts for contractors and more flexible payment options for businesses. The feature is currently in a beta release. In other news, Octant releases the results from its Epoch 10 public goods funding round, and Fileverse releases the Walkaway Page v2. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.